Hello everyone, I'm Alok, father of two sons, 9 trees, and husband to one of the most beautiful princesses of the world. I'm an engineer, an entrepreneur, a traveler, an author, and founder of two successful running companies. Now, a parenting guide. I'm on a mission to help hundreds of thousands of parents bring the best versions of their children. Guys, today I'll be sharing you my story about one particular skill. This is not related to parenting as such, but this is about acquiring a particular skill which can help you in future in any aspects, on many aspects of life. So there is a story of my own which is I'm going to tell you. This relates to very funny thing. You'll be surprised to know I'm going to talk about driving. Yes friends, it's driving. हर बच्चे की तरह मैं भी जब 10th क्लास पास करके घर पहुंचा, क्योंकि मैं बोर्डिंग स्कूल में पढ़ता था, तो अपने पापा से चोरी छुपे मैं भी कार चलाता था. उस समय हमारे पास मारुति 800 कार हुआ करती थी. डर के चुपके से गाड़ी चलाना, तो उसका दायरा जो मुश्किल से मुश्किल 5 किलोमीटर के अंदर होता था. आदमी कहीं से गया और कहीं से घूम करके आ गया. बट गाइज, दिस हेल्प मी अ लॉट. देयर वॉज अ टाइम when I had to go from my native place to a different place that were around 700 kilometers apart. होली का समय था. I tried finding a driver for me to take me from that place to the second place where I wanted to go. But somehow because of Holi, nobody was interested to take me to that place. अब मेरे पास ऑप्शन नहीं था. मेरा जाना बहुत ज़रूरी था. तो मैंने सोचा कि क्यों नहीं मैं ही इसको मैं ही लेके चलूँ, मैं ही ड्राइव करके जाऊँ. माई फैमिली वॉज रियली स्कैर्ड बिकॉज आई हैड नेवर ड्रोव दैट मच ऑफ अ डिस्टेंस. 5 किलोमीटर से ज़्यादा जो बंदा कभी चलाया नहीं हो गाड़ी, उसको 700 किलोमीटर चलाने का सोच के ही कहीं ना कहीं फैमिली भी परेशान थी कि क्या होगा, कैसे होगा. बट सिंस आई हैड नो चॉइस, I pledged to take my entire family on my own. So I planned and started driving. Right? Initial 30-40 kilometers were pretty cool because those were single lane roads, and there was not much of a traffic because it was a morning time. The moment I went on a highway, and at that time there were no 2 lanes for up and down journey. There was a single road on which both way traffic used to move. I'm talking about year 2001 or 2, something like that, right? तो करीब करीब 20 साल पुरानी बात है. 20 साल पुराना यदि आप याद करेंगे या मूवीज़ में भी देखेंगे तो आपको उस तरह की सड़कें दिखेंगी. जब मैं गाड़ी लेके निकला तो काफ़ी दिक्कतें आई. ओवरटेक करने में दिक्कत होती थी, और इनफैक्ट स्पीड का आइडिया नहीं होता था. साइन बोर्ड्स उतने होते नहीं थे, टर्न कहाँ पे है, स्पीड ब्रेकर्स कहाँ पे हैं. इट वाज लाइक यू हैव टू बी वेरी वेरी अटेंटिव, राइट? बट सिंस आई हैड स्टार्टेड माई जर्नी, आई हैड नो वे टू लुक बैक. आई जस्ट केप ऑन गोइंग. चला जा रहा था. रास्ते में हमने होल्टेजेस लिए. वी स्टॉप्ड फॉर ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच एंड एवरीथिंग. देयर वाज अ टाइम वेर इन there was a big speed breaker on the highway, right? When I tried to take my car above it, it stuck the bottom chamber of the car, and I found there has been something wrong. मैंने गाड़ी साइड करी, लगा के देखा, मुझे लगा कि वहाँ से जो इंजन ऑयल है वो लीक होना शुरू हो गया. सो इतना मुझे पता था कि इंजन ऑयल के बिना गाड़ी नहीं चलेगी, इंजन सीज हो जाएगा. सो व्हाट आई डिड, I just kept on moving the same thing, and as soon as I found a hardware shop, I went there and bought a M-Seal. बहुत ही लोकल जुगाड़ आप कह सकते हो. M-Seal खरीदा, एक टॉवल लिया, टॉवल गाड़ी के नीचे बिछाया और घुस करके M-Seal लगाया जहाँ से वो ऑयल लीक हो रहा था. Touch wood, that worked, and I continued my journey. So journey of a 700 kilometer at a stretch was very new to me. Obviously it was my first experience of driving to that extent on a stretch. So it took me around 12 to 13 hours, and I drove safely, I reached my destination. So friends, what I intend to say is keep on acquiring skills. You know, वो skill आपको कब कहाँ काम आ जाए आपको खुद नहीं पता है. So the moment you add a skill, you add value to yourself. Don't think कि इसकी ज़रूरत अभी नहीं है, पता नहीं आज ज़रूरत ना हो कल पड़ जाए. You never know. You have to keep yourself ready. You have to keep on acquiring skills that will help you. That will help you entire your life, because you never know कि प्रॉब्लम्स कब कहाँ से आ जाएं. प्रॉब्लम्स कभी भी बता के नहीं आती हैं. यू हैव टू कीप योर सेल्फ रेडी. सो दिस वॉज माई स्टोरी ऑफ acquiring one particular skill which helped me in terms of traveling to that kind of a distance wherein I didn't had any help, and it again helped me in my career. I moved to a sales career wherein driving was a must. So since then, guys, believe me, in the last I think 18-19 years, I have drove around 4 lakhs of kilometers. I have changed 4 cars. So each car I have traveled around 1 lakh kilometers. So this is the strength of acquiring skills, my friends. So I'll insist, if you have any skills which you want to acquire, please do it. Don't delay it. Learning never stops. You can start learning at any stage of your life, and that will help you grow. Thanks, guys.